Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a new ad account in Facebook Business Manager. This is essential if you're managing multiple campaigns, working with clients, or simply want to keep your advertising organized under one roof. Let's walk through this step by step. First, head over to facebook.com and log into your Facebook business account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page. This will take you into the business management area where you can access all your professional tools and settings. Now you'll be directed to your Facebook business management page. From here, locate the Meta Business Suite option on the left navigation menu and click on it. The Meta Business Suite is your central hub for managing all aspects of your business presence across Facebook and Instagram, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this dashboard. Once you're in the Meta Business Suite dashboard, click on the Profile drop-down at the top of the screen. A business portfolio selection will appear, giving you access to various management options. From here, locate the gear icon, which represents your business settings, and click on it. This gear icon is your gateway to all the backend configurations for your business accounts. From your business portfolio settings, click on the Accounts section. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From here, locate Ad Accounts and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all the advertising accounts connected to your business portfolio. You'll now be directed to your Ad Accounts page, where all your existing ad accounts are listed. To add a new one, simply click on the plus add button located on the top right part of your screen. An ad account window will appear, presenting you with three options. You can either create a new ad account, add an existing one, or request access to someone else's ad account. For this tutorial, we'll use the Create a New Ad Account option, so go ahead and click on Create a New Ad Account. You'll now be prompted to enter the details for this ad account creation. Start by entering the ad account name. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify what this account will be used for. Next, select the time zone and currency that align with your business operations or target audience. These settings are crucial because they affect how your ad performance is tracked and reported. Once you've filled in these details, click Next. On the following screen, you'll need to select the usage for this ad account. You can choose whether this account is for your business or for someone else's business or client. This distinction helps Facebook understand the relationship and apply the appropriate permissions. After making your selection, click Next to proceed to the final step. On the last confirmation step, take a moment to read through all the details you've added. You'll also see Meta's business terms and conditions for ad accounts displayed here. It's important to review these terms to understand your responsibilities and Meta's policies. If you agree with everything, click on the checkbox to confirm your acceptance, then click on Create Ad Account. Your new ad account will now be created and added to your business portfolio, ready for you to start running campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully created a new ad account in Facebook Business Manager, giving you the flexibility to manage separate advertising efforts efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.